Alright, so we're getting ready to turn this area into a leek soup garden, so we figure we might as well spray it over here because the dirt is going someplace we want it to go. Suppose we had some success. Here's one potato, here's another potato. I'm just going to move it around. This area I have to totally fill up, but not right yet. And then I'm going to put some rocks around the sprinkler so we don't end up covering that area. But I always do the least possible amount of work. So that's what I'm going to do today. There's a russet here. There's a Yukon Gold here. And there's another Yukon Gold over here somewhere. And I think that's spread out enough. Let me move it a little bit further out of the way. And then I'll just sort of work the soil around it. But not all at the same time, because that's not my style. But getting some progress, that's for sure. Oh, there's the other Yukon Gold. Okay. So there's one. There's one somewhere. And then there's one over here. So they're about like... I feel like I'm being lazy, and I know I am. They're only about a foot apart. Alright, alright. I'll move them further.